Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lilanika Technical Education. This is Ranika Tamboli. Welcome all of you to join this channel and to learn about the Python language, Python Pandas we are going to discuss in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification about upcoming videos. Okay, now let's start. Python Pandas. What is the Python Pandas? Python Pandas is a library which is used for the mainly data analyzing and manipulation purpose. Python is a very essential language in these days because of its reliability. And Python is an open source library. Here Python Pandas, we are going to discuss about the Python Pandas in this video. Okay, so Python Pandas. Pandas is an open source library that is made for working with the relational data. Okay, and it is programming language used for data manipulation or analyzing purpose. Suppose we are taking an example of Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet we have a huge amount of data in the form of rows and columns, and if you want to make any changes in the any row in a particular location, then how can you do this? You have to go manually and reach each and every column location and make some modification at that place. Then it is not easy. Okay, it is not a right way to do this because it takes us too much time, and to prevent all these are problems, then we need to do this. What here we need to do using Pandas library. Using this library we can do all these tasks very easy. Okay, it offers the data structures and operation for manipulating and numerical tables and time series. Pandas stand from panel data system. Pandas किस लिए stand करता है? Panel data system. It is a full form of this library. Now some history points about this library. WesMC Kaini is the developer of this, and 2008 this library is created, and it is mainly written in the C language. Python and C language. Mainly this program library is written in a C language. C language is used to write this library, and it provides the three data structures: data frame data structure, series data structure, and panel data structure. Mainly the first two data structure, data frame and the series data structure, we used. Okay, we use. And what is the data frame? Data frame is a data structure in which data is stored in the row or column form. Suppose we need to represent our data in the form of row and column, then we can do this with the help of a data frame. Okay, the different types of data can be stored in the data frame. Second point, in the third point you can see that it is like a spreadsheet. Okay, a spreadsheet where each value is identified with the combination of row index and the column index. Suppose the row index is known as index and the column index in the data frame is known as column name. Okay, and two axes we use here for working with the row and the column. Two axes. For the row index, axis 0 is used, and for the column index, axis 1 is used. Okay, axis 1 is used. The indices can be of numbers or letters or strings. Indices can be set of numbers or letters or strings. Okay, now in the next slide we will discuss some characteristic point. Here you can see some characteristic points about the data frame. It is value mutable. Value mutable means if you want to make any changes in the value in any value in the data frame, then you can also do this with the help of some function of this library. And if you want to add or delete row and column in the data frame, then you can also do this. So it is also known as a size mutable. Size data frame is also size mutable. It can in the data frame, row can have a data of the different type. That is the main difference between the data frame and in the data frame different types of data can be stored. Okay, and the series object, same type of data, because series data structure contain the 1D array, represent the data in the form of 1D array. Then you know that the what is array? Array is a homogeneous element collection, है ना, homogeneous element collection. And in the data frame, different types of data can be stored in the different columns. And here in the last point you can see that the you can create the data frame object by passing the data in the many different ways, by passing 2D dictionaries. Using the 2D dictionary you can also create the data frame, two-dimensional array, series type object, or another data frame object. It is your choice which one you want to use. Okay, in the in this video further we will discuss about the creation of data frame. Common attributes of the data frame object: index, column, axis, dtype, shape, values, empty, endim, t. These are the common attributes that we can use with the data frame for different purpose. Suppose we want to work with the index data, suppose we want to work with the rows of the data frame, then we need to set the index attribute here. And we want to use with the column, then we use column attribute here. Axis is also used to make any manipulation at this location, at any location in the data frame. Okay, and dtype object return the data types of the data in the data frame, suppose int, float. Okay, and size object return the size, how many elements in this object, int represent. And shape, a tuple representation, dimensionality of the data frame. Values return numpy representation of the data frame. Okay, a values keyword is used to represent the numpy representation of the data frame. Numpy means 1D array collection, or the form of the row, homogeneous element set. Empty, indicator whether the data frame is empty or not, it indicates. And the endim return the representing the number of access array dimensions. And t means transpose here. If you want to interchange the index or columns and make any changes, then you can use the transpose function, the transpose attribute t. Okay, now next, series data structure. What is the series data structure? A series data structure is an important data structure of the Pandas library. It represents a one-dimensional array of indexed to data. As I told you that series data structure represent the 1D array, and the two components of this series data structure is mainly we discuss here array of actual data, and second array of indexes. Okay, just suppose this is an array, this is my array 10, 20 and 30. 3 elements are used, and this is the index value. So two components, index and data, these are the two main component of series data structure. Okay, and after that, installation. If you want to install this library, then simply you need to type the this command pipe install and pandas on the shell of the Python. Okay, and if you are already using Jupyter Notebook or Spider Notebook or Anaconda distribution software, then you don't need to additionally install this library because it is already installed with that. And if you want to use this library, then you need to write this statement: import pandas as pd. Import pandas as pd. PD is a aliasing name I'll give this library. You can also set your choice name. Next is a simple example of creating series data structure. Import pandas as pd. First I'll import this library, then I'll create the series object names, and after that I'll assign the values to this data structure. Okay, these are the names, string values. Here you need to keep in mind that all the data of the same type can stored in this library, not a different type. Okay, because series data structure represent the 1D array collections. Or 1D array is a homogeneous set of the element. Homogeneous means same type of data can stored in this data structure. Okay, now this is an output of this program, that array index here 0 to n minus 1. These are the index values, and which start from 0 and to n minus 1 and represent the number of element. Suppose we have a fifth number of element, then n is equals to fifth, and array index start from 0 to last values stored at the 4 location. 5 minus 1, that is 4 at the 4. Okay, and next, creating data frame. Simple example of creating a data frame is here. First I'll import this library, then I'll assign the values to this data frame. With the help of this data frame, with the help of this dictionary values, we can create here this data frame. These are the column name. First column name, class, second column name is class, and third column name is stream. And I'll assign this values to this data frame in the square bracket. If you want to set the string value, then you need to write within a single quote, and if you set the numeric values as a value, then you can write without quotation mark. All the values you need write without quotation mark. Okay, and after that I'll call this function data frame here with the pandas library pd aliasing name, pd dot data frame function is called here, and in this function I'll pass this dictionary object d, is this variable d, in which my values for the data frame is stored. Okay, then I'll print this object data frame df, then I'll get the output for this. Now see what is the output. These are the output of this data frame. These are the column name, class, and stream, and these are the index values which start by default from 0 to n minus 1. 3 rows are here, so last index value is 2. Okay, all the values are set here. Now in the next video we will discuss about some practical questions about the data frame and the pandas and some functions. In the next video I'm going to discuss and thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share, comment, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.